Globe valve controls flow by moving a disc, or plug, toward or away from a seat inside the valve body. When the handwheel rotates, stem moves upward, downward, disc moves with stem, gap between disc and seat changes, and flow rate changes accordingly. Types of EDV globe valves: T-pattern globe valve, Y-pattern globe valve and angle globe valve. EDVC globe valves are widely used in steam systems, cooling water systems, boiler feed water systems, oil and gas pipelines, chemical plants, power plants. International Energy Agency, AVAC systems, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, compressed air lines. Welcome to Choose EDVC globe valve. We will provide you with perfect solutions for your pipeline valve engineering.